AutoLeap's review management feature makes it super easy and quick to grow your online reputation. Collect better Google reviews to boost your local search rankings and build trust and credibility in no time. AutoLeap customers have reported a 3-time increase in their Google reviews. Once a payment is submitted, send a review request to your customer via text or email along with the receipt. You can choose to customize each request and even set automated follow-up reminders. Customers that choose to review your shop will get prompted to rate their experience. Satisfied customers will automatically be invited to write a review for your shop on Google. You can read and respond to the Google reviews and direct customer feedback from one central location, your review dashboard. Keep collecting new reviews with ease to find areas of improvement and boost your shop's visibility online. AutoLeap, the one-stop solution for all your shop management needs. Book a demo today.